recording?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Ezra's first baseball game. All right, Ezra. Hit the ball. Run the base. Run the base. Safe. You want to do that again?
Yes.
All righty. Ezra, you know what we're going to do to make it interesting?
Yes.
We're going to make more bases. Do you know how many bases there are in baseball?
Yes.
There's 3 bases. Come hold the bat.
Yes.
Don't hit the ball yet. It's not time to hit the ball yet. There's going to be 3 bases. Watch, here's base number 1. And here's base number 2. And here's base number 3. And you know what you have to do, Ezra? Daddy's going to show you. You hit the ball, and then you run to base number 1, and then you run to base number 2, and then you run to base number 3, and then you run all the way back and you touch the blue part with your foot. You think you can do that?
Yes.
Okay, stand right here. Batter up. Ready, hit the ball. Run to number 1. Run to base. Run to number 2. Run to number 3. Right here. Touch the blue part. No, you can't pick up the ball, silly. Good job, Ezra. You want to do that again?